Wow, African, you did your thing. Welcome back to my channel. Miss Naturally Mary here. If you are new here, welcome to the family. We are growing. I'm so hyped. You guys are so awesome. Tell a friend, guys. Keep telling people. By the end of this year, I'm trying to get to 100K and we are on our way. So we have another awesome video. Today's video is going to be one that completely takes me out of my comfort zone. I've been saying I want to explore more colors, and y'all saw my last video. We did some ombre, but this one is going to be an ombre straight bob, but it's going to be honey blonde, y'all. They say blondes have more fun. We're gonna see. So let's get into it. So this video is for WowAfrican. I have done another tutorial with WowAfrican in the past, and I showed you guys a 360 unit. So I'm gonna link that one so you guys can go back and check it out. But this one is gonna be some fire. I saw it on the site and I was like, yes, I gotta try that. So it came with a comb. Came with a maintenance guide, which is typical, and I love that their units come with this nice little drawstring silk bag. I love when units come in these. They're so good for traveling. So I'm gonna open it up and we are gonna look at it together. My heart kind of dropped because the color is so beautiful, but then also I'm so nervous because this, oh my goodness. Gerard's mom, she loves blonde hair, so I know she's gonna love this one. Oh, look at that color! It's so pretty! Oh, Lord Jesus. How is this gonna look on me? Can y'all see it? What y'all think? Got the construction. So it has two combs on the side. There's a comb in the center, and there's one at the bottom. And there is a little lace at the bottom, so I believe that lends itself to you being able to put it up. I don't know that there's baby hair back here. Oh, there is a little bit. But I don't know if this hair is long enough for you. It looks like it might be long enough for you to put it up. Y'all, it's gonna be cute. Let's get her on a mannequin head. Now, one thing that I noticed is that they did pluck the hairline so that there is not any knots at all. So that's something to keep in mind. The hairline looks good, looks natural. It wasn't over plucked. Y'all disregard this. My mannequin head is jacked. Okay, let's see what it looks like without doing the stocking cap method. This is gonna be interesting. All right, so I flattened my hair. I think this should be flat enough. I'm gonna add some foundation to the lace of this unit. Guys, now that I've cut the lace in the front, I want to show you guys what the back view looks like. So now we're going to begin the stocking cap method, and before doing that I need to lay my hair down. So I'm going to tame my hair by placing Got To Be glue gel, and I'm using the black bottle just to get everything nice and sleek and smooth down so that none of my hairs are in the way when I begin cutting the stocking cap in the front. Now that my edges are tamed and out of the way, I can begin pulling the stocking cap forward. And I usually like to pull it 1 to 2 inches in front of my hairline, and this gives me enough space to cut the band and any excess stocking cap that is not needed. Now that we pulled the stocking cap forward, we need to lay it down to make sure it's secured in place. So I'm using the Got To Be glue in the black bottle as a form of adhesive to keep the stocking cap down. Now we need to dry the gel to ensure that it's locked in place and the stocking cap won't go anywhere. I'm just drying it with my blow dryer on the cool setting.
So won't you please
when this is completely dry, I'm going to cut the area right in front of where I placed the gel so that we don't have this extra band that you see here, because that doesn't look good under a wig. Look at that. I got a little impatient, guys, but I think it should still work. Oh, I'm so hyped just being in the daggone stocking cap. All right, moving on to the next step. The next step is to apply some form of adhesive so that the wig will now be secure on my head. So I like to use the Got2b glue in the yellow bottle to do this. I just like to hold more for this particular step in the process. So I apply this along the front parameter of the stocking cap, and then I'm going to dry it enough so that it becomes tacky using my blow dryer on the cool setting. So the Got2b glue is now tacky, so I'm going to begin putting the unit back on and pulling it forward. Make sure this side is down well first, and then I'm going to move on to the middle and then this side. So I'm just holding the lace in the front down. I am going to add an elastic band in a moment just to make sure everything is secure and I can actually pull the back down and insert the combs. So let me go grab an elastic band. I love the shape of this wig. Many of the bobs that I've tried so far have just been one length and they've been a straight blunt bob, but this one is blunt. However, it has the asymmetrical look to it, so one side is longer than the other. I love that. This color is so rich. Oh. Okay, let's flat iron the hair and then we'll get back to the hairline.
I saw those girls laughing at the way you are. Don't let some girls stop you from reaching stars. You are a true beauty, I've seen it in your eyes. And I ain't never, no, never lied. Oh, you slay, you slay. You're slaying it like Beyonce. This is your day. Go and make your haters behave. Get up and rise. Take back your power inside. Don't you believe, don't believe.
And I'm just spraying this detangling conditioning mist on the hair. This is by Cara Care. And this is just to give the hair some shine at the roots. I'm going to put some mousse. This is the only mousse I have. And hopefully this works.
And rock those blue jeans. Go ahead and let the world see your light.
Okay, it's time to take the elastic band off.
Keep that stuff from changing, love. Cause that's what you are made of. Lights out, mind free. Go ahead and let the world see how smart you are to get your haters behind you and take those chances. First your circumstances, love. You promise me.
Y'all see that? I don't know how to handle my life right now. I can't even believe this. Y'all don't understand. I am super shocked that this color looks so good on me. Did you see how I was swinging in the wind? Wow, I never thought I could wear blonde. This is like crazy awesome. How cute is this, y'all? I usually don't wear my part on the left side. I usually wear it on the right. Got some color and it looks fly. Look at that.
Stupid things. This is for my girls.
Now, they got me all up in my feelings. Catching the angles with my phone out. Snapping like I'm Fable. I can't even believe this. This looks too good for the people. This is art right here. Art. This here, art. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, let's go over the details, y'all. So this is the Kim K bob from WowAfrican. It's in length 14. It is an asymmetrical bob, as I mentioned earlier. As you can see, it's shorter on one side, and it is a blunt cut, but it's longer on this side. This is like a honey blonde. It has this ombre effect, so it goes from black and transitions into these beautiful, beautiful honey blonde. I'm not sure if this hair is the yaki texture or not, but it resembles the yaki texture for me because it still kind of has an African American type feel to the texture. It still kind of feels like it would resemble our hair texture if it were straightened, which is awesome. So I love that about it. It's not too silky. It's very realistic, and although the hair has been colored, it doesn't feel dry. The luster and everything is very realistic. This hair doesn't tangle. It doesn't feel brittle. It just, ooh, ow, It just, oh my goodness. It looks great. So the density for this unit is 150, which is a very good density. It's not overpowering. It doesn't feel like it's too thin, too thick. It's just perfect. The lace color that I have is a light brown. I did apply foundation to the lace. It's not something that you necessarily have to do, but I decided to do. I'm loving everything about this unit. I hope that you guys love seeing me in some new color. We tried blonde. I can't even believe I tried blonde. This is pretty cool. Mary, who are you? I don't even know. Alright, so that's the end of this video. I hope that you guys loved it. My top is from Shein. I have been loving these wrap tops. This is actually a bodysuit. They have all different colors. I'm going to show you guys some more from the site. This one is so chic and classy. I just love it. I look forward to your comments and feedback. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for all those who have subscribed, those who've been liking, leaving comments. Please continue to do that. I love you all so much. I will see you guys in my next video.